A poem. What's the name of the poem? How to tell wild animals. How to tell wild animals. What's the meaning of tell? Huh? Tell. How to tell? Huh? Tell means it has got the meaning Batana, but here the meaning of tell is to tell means to identify. To identify. How to identify? What to identify? Or to recognize. To recognize. How to recognize. How to identify. Unda panchan. How to identify. Now here there are four things. Here there are four things. Four packets are there. Now, they are going to identify. How can we identify the things? How can we identify the things? By seeing, then by smell, very good, by smell, then by sound, then by touching, very good, by touching, then very good, by taste, by touching, by smelling, by hearing, by looking, by sensing, by touching. So these are the ways of identifying something, someone, etc. These are the ways of identifying. By listening, by hearing, by touching, by smelling, by even by tasting, we are going to identify things. Now, there are four packets here. One packet, second packet, third packet, fourth packet. Now, they are going to identify. First you will identify. Don't open it. Don't open it. No. Show them. You identify by touching. Afterwards you can open. If you are not able to understand. Yeah, you take it. You tell me what is this. You tell me what it is. You can either smell, you can either, you take, what is it? Mother medicine. But are you sure that is a medicine? Are you sure that is a medicine? Are you sure? Are you sure that is a medicine? What is it? She's telling this is a tablet. You can smell. What is that? Rock. Maybe I don't know. This is a tablet. Now let's open it. Let's open it. This is onion. Now I think she is correct. Let us see. You can stop 1 minute, then again start. By eating, tasting, by tasting. Now she is telling this is medicine. Is it a medicine? Is it a medicine? Are you sure that is a medicine? Are you sure it's a medicine? You are sure? Suppose if I say it's a poison. Suppose if I say it's a poison. Suppose if I say it is poison. How do you understand it's a medicine or it's a poison? Smelling and tasting. Let me do. Shall I? Suppose is it a pesticide? If it is pesticide, if it is poison, we will die. And this is medicine. What medicine? Cough syrup. And what is it? What is it? This one? This one? This one? That is? Pepper. This is pepper. This is pepper. This we need. And what is it? This is tablet. This is tablet. So, how do we identify the things? How do we identify the things? By touching, smelling, tasting, seeing, by sensing. So, there are different ways of identifying. Now, how to identify wild animals? How to identify wild animals?